What up, fellas? Welcome to the first motovlog on the channel. Not the first video, but it's the first motovlog. Yeah, and what can I say? I just received my new SD card yesterday, and I'm finally trying. This is kind of test as well. I already tested before, but like the battery was really dying. I think the battery is dying really soon. By the way, this is not a new camera as well. I'll give you some context. But yeah, first of all, welcome. Thank you so much if you're still here, by the way. So, a little bit of me. Some presentation, right? My name is Do Not Mind on the internet in general, and video games as well. All that stuff, you know, that nickname that people use today and all the time since the online gameplay starts in the history and stuff, you know. We all use some fancy nicknames, so that's mine. Do not mind. I think it's funny, I guess, and whatever. So, let's keep going this. I'm Portuguese. It's where I live, that's where I'm from. I'm from Portugal. Come on, old man, you can do this. Yay. So, yeah, I'm from Portugal. If you don't know Portugal, where it is, it's sitting next to Spain. We kinda call ourselves like the entry to the Europe and stuff. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, so now, you know my name, you know where I live, where I'm from. By the way, I'm from the north of Portugal, okay? Let's see, a lot of traffic today. It's Friday, by the way. I'm not working today, but it's Friday. All these people are maybe working yet. Well, whatever. We passed them all. Let's go. We are a motorcycle. Yeah. Okay, so welcome. If you're still here, thank you so much. If you're still here, by the way. Oh, that's Popo. You don't see nothing. You don't really see nothing. Whatever. I'm fine. I'm legal, so fuck it. Let's go. What the fuck am I saying? So today, this is my second test, by the way. I just received my SD card to the GoPro yesterday. Thank you so much. Thank you. I just received what? I just received my SD card yesterday. I'm not testing. I already tested yesterday as well, since I received it, but it didn't work too much. The battery was dying. So to give you some context, this is a new SD card, yes, but the GoPro, I bought this GoPro about 4 years ago. This is a GoPro Hero3 Black Edition. So I bought this for 130 euros 4 years ago. I think it's fine. It's really cool. I don't think I need too much since it just works. If I need some edition and stuff, I can do it on Premiere. So about the image quality, it's more than good to me, at least. I think the really nice things about the new GoPros, maybe that's what I'm talking about today. At the first video, oh, nice car. Oh, that's a buggy or something. So, I think the new GoPros we can bring for us as new stuff. It's more like some features, a better battery, then it can handle better the 4K resolution. Maybe some, I think, 60 FPS at 4K, I guess. I think that's the biggest difference about the old and the new cameras. But find them, you know. Oh, this is a new street, by the way. This wasn't like this since the last time I passed here. Well, talking about cameras, yeah, so to the purpose that I want to, and I'm pretty much recording at 1080p, I don't think I need more, which will just save me some power computation, time, space on my memory, storage and stuff. So I don't need more than this. Most people don't really gonna watch it more than 1080. So I think it's pretty fine like this, at least for now. Whatever. But the camera, that's it. That's my camera. Works good. I'm worrying about the battery since I think it is dying kind of soon, but because it's kind of old as well, the life of the battery is not doing so much now. But well, what can I say? I bought 4 years ago and was used already, so what can I say? Was cheap, I think. At least for me it was kind of cheap. So this is a nice camera for the most people that at least want to start, since it's in good condition. I think I can still buy some battery. I know there's a lot of batteries selling on AliExpress, but from the GoPro itself, you know, from the official battery to this, I don't know if I can still buying it, but I'll check it out later and see the prices and stuff, because I'm really happy with the camera. So yeah. Oh, it's hot, by the way. What's up, dude? Oh, I'm sorry. Damn, I was distracted with a motherfucker dude crossing the roundabout or whatever you call it. Okay, my setup. The camera, I talked about it already. Now, oh, I'm having some fun doing this. Oh, hello there. You're sexy. Or not. Look at my nose. Can you see my nose? Kind of big. It's stupid. Whatever. So talking about now, I bought a new SD card. Yeah. It's like 128 gigabytes. It's a SanDisk Extreme or Extreme Pro, something between that two. Are that two are like the best options to use on GoPros, because they're kind of fast and stuff, so it's good to the GoPro. What's up, mate? Damn, nice S1000 from BMW, really cool, with a carbon wings. That's crazy. Alright. But I just figured out that I cannot close 100% my visor. I need to adjust a bit the position of the camera. But I'll fix it next in the future. But now, yeah, I just figured it out in the middle since I just start riding. So yeah. Okay, let's keep talking about this. So yeah, that's the SD card. I recommend some not too fancy. I don't know if there's more than that available to buy, more fancy than that, but I think that's the best option that you have without waste money. They're good memory cards, and it's more recommended because of the speeds of write and read and stuff. More the write, I guess, because it's important, so then you don't fuck up your image quality or get some corruption moments and frames. I can link you some places that you can buy that SD card, just for some interest of you. more talking about the microphone. This is a really easy but important thing, important question. So I bought the microphone from the AliExpress plus the adapter. They come together, about €3 or something. Like, I don't know, it's about lucky. Nice Mustang. I don't know if it's about lucky or not, but at least what I receive, it's working, as you can see, at least as much as I know, and I tested. Yesterday it was working. I don't really make up that video already because the battery was dying. Just about that, because the sound was great, I guess, without touching. I just put on record, no editing. I just watched the raw video today, and it was really fine. I love it. I don't know, I'm a beginner on this shit, but yeah, I like it. I really like the sound. Sounds great. I feel so, oh, motovlogger. I'm in the community. What's up, dude? I'm in the community. Look at me. Now, yeah, but feels great. Watch that. It was really nice that everything just works. I get so happy when I buy things, especially if I pay money. But I think it's more pleasure when you try to save some money, but thing works. To know you need to pay things if you want something when you buy it. But sometimes you can save a bit of money and it's easy and it just works. Even if this just works in a year or something, I'll be happy with that. Like €3 or something that I pay for this. I'm pretty much happy. Whatever. I don't really remember the price, but I'm thinking about €3. I got that number on my head. But I'll give you the link as well to this mic and adapter if you're interested to do something with it. Oh, it's fucking hot here. I should bring my shorts, but shorts are not too much comfortable. I was kind of tired of using because I've been using that all this week. And I'm kind of tired of using, so I just choose some pants. Oh fuck, some comfy pants. So it's kind of hot, but it's comfy. I like it. So yeah, let's keep talking. Oh, look at this beautiful machines. I still love my motorcycle anyway, but it's nice to have a cool and comfort vehicle as well. What am I saying? Let's talk about motorcycles and stuff. Okay, so let's resume a bit. I talk about the camera. Check, I guess. I talk about the SD card. Check, I guess. I can see the battery life. Fuck it. Talk about the microphone. Check. What can I talk more? I don't know how much video I can take from this, but hey, let's just finish this video just in case I cannot use nothing more, since it's just finished the battery or something. This was a little presentation of myself, a little story, and well, a little context about the setup that I'm using right now. As a beginner, I kind of want to share this, all the experience from the beginning. That's the experience. For now, I'm happy since the battery don't really want to die all the time, and it just, yeah, but I'll try to fix that. But I think, yeah, it's a battery life problem. Maybe it's just kind of old and used already. Of course it is. So tell me something. Oh shit, tell me something. Oh, nice, another one. That's the resume of my setup to motovlog. A little resume just to give you some context and idea and share the experience of start this new hobby, this new thing. I love this. I've been watching motovlog for years, I guess, since I'm a teenager, you know. And I start watching and really start the love for motorcycles. It was about, I was like 14 years old or something when I start to look at bikes and just love it. I never think about motorcycles, I only think about cars, you know. But I can tell that story later. It's not a big story, but it's kind of story. So yeah, guys, this is my presentation. Let's see, I really want to keep doing this. I'm loving the vibe. This is a good day to me, at least. I'm happy with this. I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Some opinions, suggestions, some things, some thoughts, right? That's it. Sorry my English. Sorry about my English, yeah. But yeah, comment below, what do you think? Maybe some questions that you have. Give me your thoughts about all this. If you want to suggest something, there you go. You can do it. And yeah, thank you so much again for being there. You know what to do. You can like or dislike, whatever you want. Be free to just click the button. But if you don't really like it, just at least tell me in the comments why you don't like it or something. Maybe there's a reason. Maybe that's something that I'm not doing great yet. Let me know if something just bored you. If there's something that is not okay. I don't know. I really want to see some interaction and really see what's going on. Maybe if I'm doing wrong something. Oh, let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! Let's go! What the fuck? Oh shit, yeah, I love this bike. Fuck my ass. Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh shit, what fucking scream was that? I just screamed like a stupid, really weird noise, but fuck yeah! This was great! Let's go! Woo! Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm sorry guys. I don't know how it goes, but woo! Alright guys, fuck. I make this so long, what? Okay guys, to finish the video, thank you so much. This was a resume of my setup to MOTOVLOG. Give me your opinions, your suggestions, what? Your thoughts on the comments below. Press the like if you like, the dislike, well, if you don't really like something. Maybe I'm doing something wrong and I didn't notice, so yeah. I want to see some interactions. I want to interact with you, by the way. So, let's go. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope bring you some more nice content. I love this. I love this. I've been watching MOTOVLOG for a long time. Some years I started this. I was a teenager when I started all this life of watch MOTOVLOG, essentially. Yeah. Thank you so much once again, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, ladies. What? Why I say that? I'm so fucking stupid. Thank you so much for watching till here, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.